Hi, I'm Dr. Ann of Dr. Ann All In and You First Health and Rejuvenation here in sunny Southwest Florida and Fort Myers. First, I truly want to thank you for trusting not only myself, but my educated and compassionate staff and our facility to be your final option for your upcoming surgery, procedure, and really your overall plan for your optimal health, wellness, and feminine rejuvenation and empowerment plan. The following information is going to review some questions and information that's very valuable for your upcoming visit. So please listen closely, and if it brings up any questions you have, bring those with you for our visit as well. I'll look forward to seeing you soon, and know that I'm going to be all in with you for your optimal path and outcome. So now we're going to go over some things to consider before your treatment and the day of your treatment. Regarding your history, assure that you've discussed with staff any history of HSV or herpes simplex virus, as we would be recommending a type of pre-treatment per protocol with an antiviral prescription to reduce possibility of recurrences related to the procedure. We don't want to taint a beautiful outcome. Next, we do use a compounded numbing cream routinely for our procedures. We routinely prescribe it for your benefit. This compounded numbing cream that we have specially made for best external vaginal comfort during the procedure. Assure you receive this before your scheduled date and that you apply it before you come in for each of the 3 initial treatments or for your maintenance treatment. If you run out or did not get this prescription, let us know. Regarding the treatment protocol for your core Intima, you will have a series of 3 treatments spaced approximately 4 weeks apart. We do our best to coordinate both my schedule and yours to make sure we stick with this recommended protocol. After your initial series, you may want to have 1 to 2 maintenance treatments yearly thereafter, which is our recommendation to maintain optimal results. Regarding the time frames, do your best, and we will too, to stick to the treatment time frames as they are designed to get the maximum desired results. Each treatment time is only approximately 15 minutes. And remember, regarding our area that we will be working on together, that the area is shaved and clean and no special perfumes, creams, or oils have been applied prior to your procedures. Now we'll just go over the basic post-treatment expectations for you. And of course, if anything else comes up, you'll call and let us know so we can help get you through it. Clinical responses will vary, like any procedure, but you may feel warmth intermittently after your treatment, especially the first couple of days. Some patients have reported feeling itchy a few days after the procedure in the treated area. This is quite normal, and your body is beginning to rejuvenate the tissue. This is a good sign. Sloughing and drainage may occur to some degree, but will reside and decrease very quickly over the first few days. This is also normal. Light bleeding is normal in some patients, and you are welcome to wear a light panty liner or feminine pad. No tampons for anything like this, and it will always be very minimal. Most of the previously mentioned responses will usually decrease within a very easy 2 to 3 days after the treatment. For some patients, it's slightly longer, but typically not so. You can make a cold compress of a 1-to-1 ratio mix of vinegar and distilled water for any intermittent warmth that you may feel. This is helpful for some patients. Like after any procedure, stay hydrated and eat healthy, especially the first several days and the remainder of your process. Very important, no sex, alone or together. Novelty items, tampons, douching, etc. for at least 5 to 7 days, depending on your healing process. Behave on this one, it's very important. The use of hygienic sprays and ointments, for example, DAG spray in our recovery balm or other balms we may suggest, several times daily will help the healing process, especially the first few days. The good news is that your rejuvenation response will continue to improve over the next several weeks and even after your first treatment. We do recommend maintenance treatments every year after your initial series of at least a single or double treatment to simply maintain your best desired optimal results. So we will help to keep you doing great on each V-Day birthday. Thank you so much for choosing to pay attention to the information we just discussed. If you didn't, make sure you tune back in so that you can review it again, and it can bring up any questions that might come to mind for you to bring up during your visit, because we're here for you. And again, I want to go ahead and say I thank you for entrusting not only myself, but my educated and passionate staff, as we're all here for you to be all in to the best of our ability towards your path for optimal wellness and health and empowerment on this very important journey that we don't take lightly. And we're definitely all in for you, and we look forward to seeing you.